photographer, like wedding photographer तक तो सुना था, honeymoon photographer ऐसा भी कुछ होता है. बहुत गर्मी होती थी, धूप में हम खड़े रहते थे. But it was a lot of fun. Ranveer, Deepika, so beautiful.
Yeah. Now they were a lovely baby girl as well.
Yeah, so we can
include her as well.
Include a family
photo. Hi, you are watching OTT Play. I am Nirali in conversation with the honeymoon photographer Asha Negi, who plays Ambika Nath in the Jio Cinema series, which comes out soon on 27th of September. Welcoming Asha for exclusive conversation on OTT Play.
Thank you.
I want to know, Asha, what were your first thoughts when you heard the title Honeymoon Photographer? How did you imagine the series to be? Tell me the true and honest thoughts.
Yeah, I'll give you the honest answer, don't worry. So, we were also a little amused कि यार honeymoon photographer, like wedding photographer तक तो सुना था, honeymoon photographer ऐसा भी कुछ होता है. So, they told us ऐसा होता है and people take photographers on their honeymoon. And so it was a little amusing for us, but अब जिस तरीके से हम Instagram पे इतना सब कुछ देख रहे हैं तो shocking नहीं है ना? हो सकता है photographer भी. So yeah, all the photographers out there, there is one more thing you can.
There's one more competition.
One more competition. One more job.
One more job. Yeah.
Competition.
Yeah, competition. Of course, that's the word. But also, when you learned that this is not a rom-com kind of a series, but rather a murder mystery, what was your reaction on learning that?
I think I was excited. Because rom-com type का फिर भी कर चुकी हूँ, but you know, like a murder mystery, a thriller with lots of suspense, जहाँ पे either I can be the killer or not be the killer, just like, you know, victim or something, not victim, but yeah. तो काफ़ी excited थी मैं, and I remember I did one meeting with them firstly on Zoom, and then I went and met the director. और जब director से मिली तो उसके बाद I was very sure that I want to do it. Yeah.
But how well did you connect to your character Ambika in the series, and which is the one aspect of your character that you kind of resonate with, and the one thing that you do not want to imbibe from Ambika?
I think I resonated with the fact that she was very passionate about her photography, her art, and I am also very passionate about my acting. So that is something that I resonated with, and something that I don't want from Ambika is, I think ये क्या murder में फंस गई है यार, मतलब ये सबसे दूर.
Photographer ही अच्छी थी जब गई थी Maldives.
मत जा ऐसे किसी के honeymoon पे photo shoot
करने मत जा.
So yeah, maybe that.
But also Maldives, the show is set in Maldives, and that place had become a go-to spot for every celebrity during the lockdown as well. Tell me, what are your fond memories of Maldives?
Yeah, only the shoot. I've never gone to Maldives otherwise. अब तो मैं लक्षद्वीप ही जाऊँगी.
That's the change. Of course, लक्षद्वीप भी जाना है.
मैं भारत से हूँ. But
any memory that you recall from the shoot?
From the shoot, बहुत गर्मी होती थी, धूप में हम खड़े रहते थे. But it was a lot of fun. बहुत मजे आए, बहुत hectic था, because outdoor shoots are hectic, and beach पे you are throughout, and the sun all the time, you're getting tan, so humidity, गर्मी and all of that. But it was fun. Like now when I recall all that, it was a lot of fun.
It was an easy breezy shoot, if you could say that.
It was easy breezy तो पता नहीं. I think shoot में कोई ना कोई दिन थोड़े difficult होते हैं, कोई ना कोई दिन ऐसे मक्खन की तरह निकल जाते हैं. So it was also like that, but it was a lot of fun. Yeah,
that's it. But also your journey as an actor has evolved. You started from TV, you ventured into OTT space. You have done some incredible work in both the mediums. But when this transition happened, what were the challenges, Asha, that you faced as an artist?
I think a lot of unlearning had to happen. Because क्या होता है ना कि I started from television, and whatever I had learned was from television.
Of course.
तो फिर when you shift to OTT or films, there is you have to unlearn a lot of things. मतलब कि आप television करते करते एक तो आप थोड़े monotonous हो जाते हो. Same cheese, and the reactions are different. But इसमें you have to up your performance game.
Sure.
And you know, OTT especially, it has actors from all mediums, televisions, films. You have such amazing actors. I think unlearning was something that was a little difficult for me. Learning is still easy, but unlearning is where I feel it was a little difficult. But I'm glad. I'm just really happy that it happened the way it happened. Yeah.
But also when we talk about casting process, for actors, it has evolved over the years for the good as well. But the downside that people are witnessing now is that casting is also done based on one's social media presence. How do you look at it? I mean, because you have been in the industry for over a decade now.
I mean, I think it is great that everything is available out there on social media. You don't have to like take your photos and go to the casting agencies and show them the pictures or anything like that. But I mean, it's just available out there on social media if somebody wants to go see pictures or हालांकि that is also I feel so many people use so much filter. तो उसमें भी क्या ही सच्चाई है. But ठीक है, it's a good thing that it's available. But choosing actors based on their Instagram followers is something यार. मतलब ये नहीं होना चाहिए. It'll be the downfall if people start doing that.
Yeah. But on a lighter note, I have a rapid fire segment. Before we move on to this, the first question is, if you could turn a photographer for a Bollywood celebrity shoot, which celebrity would you pick?
I think Ranveer Deepika.
Ranveer Deepika.
So beautiful.
Yeah. Now they were a lovely baby girl as well.
Yeah, so we can
include her as well.
Include a family
photo. The next is one celebrity friend of yours whom you would love to have you as a personal photographer.
अच्छा वो photo खींचेगा या खींचेगी और मैं.
And you will pose.
Yeah, somebody nice only. I'll have to select. अच्छी गंदी photos आई तो कौन अच्छी photos खींचता है? You know, we have this friend Rahul Sharma in our group. वो करण वाही वाले हमारे इस group में. He's a very good photographer. Yeah, I think he can click.
He'll get the best aesthetic photos for you.
Arjit Taneja is also good. Yeah, I'm also good.
Yeah, you also good. But you are the muse for them.
I have to be the muse. Then either of them.
The next is a Bollywood wedding you wish you were a part of as a guest. A recent Bollywood wedding.
थोड़ी पहले की बता दूँ. विराट अनुष्का.
Yeah, it was a dreamy wedding.
Yeah, dreamy one, and so like everything was just so raw, organic, and like true feelings, emotions.
Yeah,
like,
absolutely.
That kind of.
The next is a celebrity party that you would attend just to get beautiful pictures clicked for your Instagram handle.
Ambani's wedding.
Of course.
Yeah.
The best decor.
Yeah, I know.
And the next part is the segment where I have taken 5 photos from your Instagram. And like they say, every picture has a story to tell. Yeah. I want to show you the photos and I want you to tell the story behind them. This is the first photo. If you could show in the cam also, that would be fine.
This is the first photo. This is from Rishikesh. I had gone there with my family. I was in Dehradun and I took my mom, dad, my sister to Rishikesh, and we spent a day in one of the ashrams. We ate the food there and वहाँ पे एक मंदिर था and आश्रम के सामने ही गंगा जी बह रही थी. So I was like, I wanted to meditate there for some time and also click some pictures while meditating. So yeah, this is from there.
Next is with another friend of yours.
Should be. This is a picture at Wahi's place again for Ganpati. And इससे हम एक दिन पहले we met at a friend's house, आर्यमन सेठ. मैं आर्यमन के घर पे गणपति दर्शन के लिए गई थी और ये वहाँ पे थी. और हम लोग इतने टाइम बाद मिले. प्लान नहीं था ये वाला मिलना. And you know, it's just so beautiful when you pick it from where you left. तुम इतने टाइम बाद मिल रहे हो, but you are just as comfortable as you were back then. I think it's a beautiful feeling.
Yeah, it's not that you have to chat daily with your friends when you meet. It's like you just go on and on forever.
It was so easy. It was beautiful.
Yeah. So the next is this.
इसको देख के ठंड लग रही है. So this was in one of the workout places we had gone for a session. और उसके बाद उन लोगों ने ice bath रखा था. So हम लोगों ने वर्कआउट के बाद आइस बाथ लिया था, ये तब की है.
Yeah, and the final one.
Oh, this is from Thailand. I had gone this year with my trainer and one friend, and we three had gone to Phuket. I basically went with my trainer goes every year. वो जाते हैं मुआ थाई और इन सब के लिए किक बॉक्सिंग बिकॉज देयर इज वन लेन इन फुकेट. सबको बताना नहीं चाहती, सबको पता चल जाएगा. बट एक्चुअली लोग वर्कआउट वेकेशंस लेते भी कहाँ हैं. लोगों को वेकेशन में जाके वर्कआउट ही करना होता है. सो बता भी दूंगी तो क्या ही फर्क पड़ेगा.
It will be a new information for people out there.
Yeah, there is this one lane in Phuket. It's called Petong. याद नहीं मुझे एग्जैक्ट नाम. बट उस पूरी लेन में देयर इज ओनली वर्कआउट हैपनिंग. अलग अलग टाइप के जिम्स हैं फॉर वेट ट्रेनिंग, फॉर किक बॉक्सिंग एंड योगा, एंड दे हैव लाइक स्टीम के लिए जगह इन दोज जिम्स एंड आइस बाथ. एंड हर एक नुक्कड़ पे, जैसे यहाँ पे पान बीड़ी का नुक्कड़ होता है, ऐसे हर एक नुक्कड़ पे यू विल गेट protein powder की smoothie in like exotic fruits.
Yeah.
Mango, blueberry, whatever you want. So this was like heaven for me.
Yeah.
And my trainer, though, he goes every year. This time I was like, I am also coming with you.
It's like a vacation, but also a fitness routine for you.
Yeah, I came back fitter from this vacation. Like it was the first time I came back fitter.
Did you go on a vacation and you return fit?
Can you imagine?
Yeah, but thank you so much, Asha, for doing this beautiful conversation. I look forward to watching Honeymoon Photographer, and I wish that audience उतना ही प्यार दे जितना आपने efforts डाले इसमें.
Thank you so much.